Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Get Short Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to check how much video RAM, that means VRAM, you have in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 and how you can do this step. So let's move to the workarounds. So the first one is all about you just have to follow the simple instruction, which is not too a lot. You just have to follow simple instruction. You just have to go over here, then you just have to click on settings. From here you just have to click on display. Now from here you just have to scroll down and click on advanced display over here. From here you just have to click on display adaptive properties for display 1. Now as you can see from here as you can see, the dedicated video memory is 8192 MB. So this is your dedicated video memory for your particular laptop, which is of mine. For you will be having a respective value over here on depends on your computer. So mine is 8192. So this is how you can get the dedicated video memory, which is VRAM on your Windows 11, on your Windows 10. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.